In this video, we're going to talk about footwork. We're going to try and help you to move or navigate around the wooden dummy. The most important thing about footwork that I can share with you is just try and stay balanced and distribute your weight as equally as you can on both feet, and try and face the wooden dummy as often as you can when you move, rather than not face the wooden dummy. Okay. Depending on how you approach the wooden dummy or start your training on the wooden dummy will determine partially how you would move. If I'm standing in center line with the wooden dummy with both feet together and I want to get to the right of the wooden dummy, I would step forward with my right and face the wooden dummy, or on the left, just like this. Okay, this is referred to as replacing your feet or replacement footwork. The shuffle is a two-part footwork. It's stepping and sliding, stepping and sliding, stepping and sliding. Okay, I put most of the weight on my rear foot when I want to go forward, and I step and then I slide. And now when I want to go back, it's just the opposite. Most of my weight is on my front foot, and I'll step back and slide. This is stepping and sliding. And this is a complete full step forward. Okay, and the same would be true if I'm in the left lead, just the opposite. Okay, so let's review. Not difficult. Again, the important thing about moving is stay balanced, distribute your weight evenly, and always try and face the dummy. Standing square. Okay, it's a replacement step. Again, adding these simple touches helps to keep you facing the wooden dummy. Okay, starting in the lead, this time I'll go in the left lead. Okay, if I want to get to the right, I'll take a complete full step, passing the lead leg. Keeping my lead leg forward, getting to the left, I would just shuffle, step and slide. Okay, now if I actually want to practice bridging the distance in front of me on the wooden dummy, I would just back up a little bit and pick a lead. In this case, I'll have my right leg forward, and I would just step and slide right into the correct distance. And now if I want to get even closer, depending on what side, I take a lateral step, slide away, slide closer, maybe I'll go on this side. Front of it again, slide away, slide forward, and back, forward, and back. Okay? Again, the whole focus is just concentrating on maintaining your balance and navigating around the wooden dummy. It's going to be important when we incorporate technique-based skills on the wooden dummy. So getting you started early on moving. Move.